In order to draw a new live picture, let's draw a little bird. First, draw the bird's head. Yellow. Add a little crest. Amazing! Now draw a little beak. Red. Excellent! Give the bird a body, a small circle. Yellow. Good job! Add a pair of wings. First one, orange. That's it. Now the other. Wonderful! Now draw a pair of thin legs. Black. Cool! All you have to do now is draw a little tail. Orange. Whoa! What a pretty bird you've drawn! Watch your little bird fly and play with a worm. Let's draw a mischievous monkey. First, draw a round head. Brown. Good. Draw the monkey's mouth so it can laugh. Yellow. Excellent. Now, let's draw the monkey's face. And also, draw a funny tuft of hair. Brown. Beautiful! Now, draw the ears, one after the other. Amazing! Draw the monkey's body, a small oval. Let's draw an arm. And a hand. Excellent! And the other arm. And a hand there, too. Good! Now draw a leg and foot. Beautiful! You need to draw another leg and foot. What a funny monkey you've drawn! Watch your funny monkey eat a banana.